Hello, kids! Today, there's a really strange thing. Okay, come with me. Okay, now, what you'll see here is something I've never seen before. It's really odd. Well, I've been trying to speak to it, but it couldn't hear me. Here. Maybe if you give me the, what's it called again? I forgot that. Here, will it so it'll kind of hear me. Okay, green! Yeah, let's see if it'll hear me. Ow. Now let's try. Green! I think you can hear it, huh?